Hey everybody, this is Anup Marwadi from HyperTrends Global Inc. and today we are going to talk about a strategy that has helped us build mind-blowing experiences for our customers. It is called the Dynamic Duo Strategy. Stick around and we'll tell you more. Welcome back. This is Anup Marwadi from HyperTrends Global Inc., where it is our mission to help businesses like yours make a massive impact by using software and technology as their primary driving force. Today, we are going to talk about the Dynamic Duo strategy that has helped us craft beautiful, mesmerizing experiences for all products that we build. Here's how it looks like. In every application, you have two prominent archetypes. You have the beginner and then you have the Zen master. These are at opposite ends of the spectrum, 180 degrees apart. What you want to do is design your screens and your application in such a way that it helps both of these users get their job done as quickly as possible. So what does that look like for the beginner? Well, the beginner may be new to your application and they don't know their way around. They may even be new to technology in general. So your system has to be designed in such a way that it gives visual indicators, images, tutorials, helpful tooltips, and links that help the beginner understand how to accomplish their daily tasks when they're using your platform. For the advanced user, it's exactly the opposite. Your application needs to get out of the way as soon as possible. The advanced user has already been there, they understand what your screens do, and the last thing they want is annoying pop-ups or tooltips bothering them with their daily function. So, for the beginner, give them all the tips, all the help that they need to successfully accomplish their function. And for the advanced user, get out of the way as soon as possible so that they can accomplish their job function without any friction. How do you map from the beginner to the advanced user is also a great transitioning strategy that we can help you identify. The simple idea is to transition the beginner into an advanced user over a period of 2 to 3 weeks of them using your application. If you can combine that with AI and make your UI adapt to where their skill set is, that's even better. So there you have it. The Dynamic Duo strategy deals with both the beginners and the advanced users in such a way that both of them can do their job without any friction, and the system automatically adapts to the user's expertise level when they're using our application. Hey, that was just a tip for today. If you have any more questions or comments, feel free to reach out to us at hypertrends.com and we will be happy to help out. Until then, thank you.